When you think of lavender, what comes to mind? Most of us immediately think of its soothing, aromatic scent, perfect for relaxation and aromatherapy. But did you know lavender has a lot more to offer beyond its calming fragrance? Let's start in the kitchen. Culinary lavender, especially English lavender, adds a unique floral flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. From lavender-infused sugar for baking to lavender honey, its uses are endless. In French cuisine, lavender is a key component of herbe de Provence, seasoning meats and vegetables beautifully. Lavender also has impressive health benefits. It's known for its stress and anxiety relief properties. Topical application of lavender oil can reduce anxiety, and its analgesic properties make it effective for pain management, helping with headaches, migraines, and even arthritis pain. In skincare, lavender's anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities help treat acne, eczema, and soothe insect bites and burns. It's a staple in many natural skincare routines. In your garden, lavender is not just a pretty face. It acts as a natural pest repellent and attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Dried lavender can also be used to make air fresheners, keeping your home smelling fresh and insect-free. Lavender's uses extend to cleaning products too. Its antibacterial properties make it a great ingredient for homemade cleaners. A simple mix of lavender oil, vinegar, and water can create an effective all-purpose cleaner that leaves your home smelling wonderful. For craft lovers, lavender is a gem. You can make scented candles, bath bombs, and even potpourri. These projects not only add a touch of luxury to your home, but also make fantastic gifts. So next time you see or smell lavender, remember it's much more than just a pretty scent. Its culinary, health, gardening, and crafting uses make it a versatile and valuable plant. Dive into the world of lavender and explore its countless benefits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden and lifestyle tips. See you next time.